In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Manychat AI chatbot, guiding you step by step through the process. Let's dive right in and start building a chatbot that can connect you more personally with your audience. First, you'll need to log into your Manychat account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it prior to engaging in this tutorial. Once you're logged in, Manychat will prompt you to connect your account to a Facebook page. This is essential as it determines the page your chatbot will be interacting with. Make sure you select the right page, as this forms the foundation for all future interactions and engagements through your chatbot. After you've connected your Facebook page, you'll find yourself on the Manychat dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub. Here you can manage all aspects of your chatbot, from automation setup to overall settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the available features, as these will be crucial as you move forward. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Automation. Click on this to access the area where you'll create and manage the sequences and interactions your chatbot will handle. You'll want to hit the plus new automation button next. This initiates the process of guiding interactions, allowing you to plan out the dialogues and actions your users will experience. Now, it's time to create a welcome message. This is the first interaction users will have with your bot, so make it welcoming and informative. A friendly greeting can help to pique users' interest and set the tone for the ongoing conversation. Consider what first impression you want to make and be concise yet engaging. To further engage users, add quick replies or buttons to your welcome message. With these, users can simply click to respond. You might, for instance, create buttons with options such as Learn More and Get Started. Each option should take your user to different flows or actions, allowing for a customized experience based on their interests and needs. Once you've set up your initial flow and added AI intents, it's crucial to test and refine your chatbot. You can preview the flow by clicking Preview, allowing you to experiment with different inputs. This step helps you see how well the AI is handling responses and ensures it's triggering the correct actions. Use this opportunity to make adjustments and improvements as needed, ensuring a seamless experience for your audience. Finally, when you are satisfied with your chatbot, it's time to publish it. Head back to the Manychat dashboard and click on Publish. This step deploys your chatbot directly to your Facebook page, making it live for users to interact with. To maximize engagement, promote your chatbot via Facebook ads, social media posts, or even on your website. This ensures that your audience knows about your new interactive feature, inviting them to experience and engage with your brand in an innovative way. And there you have it, a fully functional Manychat AI chatbot ready to enhance your online presence.